UAE has always been at the forefront of using disruptive technologies and is among the pioneers of blockchain technology adoption. It is among the top 5 countries globally to embrace blockchain. The blockchain tokenization sector is estimated to be at $24 trillion by 2027, as per the World Economic Forum.
Well, the UAE government has been at the forefront when it comes to supporting organizations building innovative technologies. The government provides the right infrastructure and ecosystem which supports this cause, and our company Ramzik has started as an idea within the Area 2071, the innovation hub under the Dubai Future Foundation. This is where our blockchain, Zeniq, was also born, inspired by Dubai's vision towards the future of blockchain. One might wonder what is the difference between Zeniq and Ramzik. Zeniq is the decentralized blockchain and ecosystem on which everything is being built, and Ramzik comes from the Arabic word which means your token, and it's the company driving the success of Zeniq blockchain.
As you said already, your token. So we want to protect our token. So data security, data protection is one of our big topics in our company. And that's why in everything that we are developing, we are trying to protect the customer from himself. And doing this step, I think a lot of people are not realizing how much technology is behind in a system that they see that's very, very simple. And so everything which is leading to this point is showing that we are coming every time closer to this mass adoption. And this mass adoption will help us then in the future to grow the market and to be one of the leading companies then in the future in this field.
With the limitless creativity that the engineers and technology experts at Zeniq possess, they have come up with a wide array of innovative products which disrupt the blockchain technology ecosystem. Zeniq Hub, Zeniq App, Zeniq App Messenger, Zeniq Debit Card, Zeniq Swap, Zeniq Coin, Zeniq Smart Chain, Zeniq Personal ID.
So over 90% of the people are still afraid of this new technology, of the blockchain technology, and they don't see all the possibilities that they have through this technology. We are trying to reach this mass adoption because of making things simple, easy to understand, and giving on top all the security that you need. And through these possibilities, I think we can reach a totally different level for this new era of blockchain and the new financing models.
Zeniq has surpassed its expectations within the year and has developed a multitude of products since its inception.
Zeniq blockchain is opening the doors and making blockchain technology accessible to everyone. It provides an easy way for people to access their digital assets, and the key USP of Zeniq blockchain is that it is highly secure, transparent, and fully decentralized.
At Zeniq, we're constantly innovating and coming up with new disruptive blockchain technologies. One of our examples is the Zeniq app. Here we have integrated a wallet, the Zeniq ID, the ZenPass, which is protecting your KYC in an NFT. We have an NFT marketplace for all your digital art, a staking function, and on top we have a totally decentralized messenger. And this messenger is protecting your personal data. So during history we had different eras of innovation, like the Greek Empire, the Roman Empire. And during this, there were a lot of innovative people who came together and reached like a new level of innovation. And because of that, we see a lot of developments in Dubai in the last few months and years, and we are strong believers that the fixed era of innovation will happen in Dubai. And if you go back to the Italian history and you see the Medici family, that they created the Medici effect. What is the Medici effect? The Medici effect is actually happening when a lot of people from different areas are sitting together talking about innovation, and then suddenly something totally new is coming out, and this is called the Medici effect. And this was happening at that time in the Palazzo Vecchio. And for us, the Palazzo Vecchio is the Burj Khalifa, And we want to bring a lot of people together here in this area and create our own Medici effect.
At Ramsuk, we believe in bringing together innovative minds across cultures to build technologies that transform blockchain ecosystem. We do this through our unique initiatives, such as the Zeniq Ambassador Program. Zeniq has annual properties which they conduct in order to revolutionize the blockchain sector. ZenCon, a hackathon held by Zeniq with the participation of brilliant programmers and innovation leaders, and the Smart Chain Forum, an annual forum that brings thought leaders in blockchain technology to discuss opportunities, concepts, and innovations in blockchain technology. Ramsuk, powered by Zeniq, where the blockchain revolution begins.